Jai Hind. So my today's topic is Quad. Quad is basically a quadrilateral security dialogue between four countries, namely India, Japan, USA, and Australia. In 2007, Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe came up with this idea of collaboration of these four countries to have progress in different sectors. But Australia did not join at that time because of the pressure applied by China. But in 2008, when Kevin Rudd became the new Prime Minister of Australia, he gave a way for smooth entry of Australia into this Quad. There were many instances which took place. For example, in 2020, Australia for the first time joined the Malabar Maritime Exercise, which happens between these four countries. Now, in 2017, we can say that the long delay of formation of this organization took place very smoothly. Now, talking about China, China is very strategic challenge to India, and especially after the Doklam clash and the Galwan Valley clash, the relations between India and China have been worsened. Talking about the significance of this organization, a large chunk of trade passes through Indian Oceanic region, which goes to China. So India, with the help of the coordinations, can easily or can disrupt this flow, and it can one or the other way affect the economy of China. If the second thing, if the Chinese violence increases, India, with the help of these four countries, can easily counter Chinese army or China, right? Third thing would be, as we know that there are in the continental front or in the coastal front. So in the continental front, China and Pakistan can collaborate and they can attack. But if we use the coastal front, there India can use its naval front to counter China. So these were the three significance which Quad Group has. Now talking about the objectives. So the objective of this organization is basically to have collaborative growth in various sectors such as maritime security, maritime domain awareness, free economic Indo-Pacific region, and economic projects. Now, talking about the challenges faced by this organization, basically there is no defined vision of this organization. Like there is no strategic mission which is involved. Second thing would be the countries which are part of this organization are basically focusing on their own interests. They are not focusing on collaborative development. Third thing would be China's economic dominance. As we know that many countries in the Quad itself are dependent on China for their economy, such as Japan and Australia. So these countries do not afford the strained relationship with China. So this is one major drawback of or challenge faced by this organization. Third thing would be China's border claims. Like as we know in South China Sea, China has claimed many islands, and with its increasing claims of lands, it has been becoming very tedious job to launch new projects in various regions. So it is one of the challenge faced by this organization. So thank you. It is what all I had about this organization. Jai Hind.